Hi Kipsters, welcome back for another CGI problem. So for today's lesson, you will need a piece of paper and a pen or pencil. I'll be reading the problem 2 times today, so make sure you have your laser focused eyes and your listening ears. So the problem says, Marquise had 13 toy cars. He gave his brother 10 of them. How many toy cars does Marquise have now? Marquise had 13 toy cars. He gave his brother 10 of them. How many toy cars does Marquise have now? So as you all know, the first thing we need to do is underline the important numbers or words. So what important numbers do you all see? I agree. I see 13, which is how many toy cars Marquise had. And also I see the number 10 because that's how many toy cars he gave his brother. So the question says, how many toy cars does Marquise have now? So I'm going to also circle the word now because now lets me know they don't want to know how many toy cars Marquise started with, but how many toy cars Marquise have now that he gave his brother 10 of his toy cars. So do you all think that Marquise is going to have more or less than 13 toy cars? If you said less, you're correct. Marquise will have less toy cars. So do you all think we're doing subtraction or addition today? Subtraction, because Marquise gave away 10 of his cars to his little brother or big brother. So let's draw our picture. The first thing we need to draw is 13 toy cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now let's make sure we go back and count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I want to hear everyone. 10, 11, 12, 13. Perfect. So now that we have the 13 toy cars, what should we do next? That's right. We should cross off 10 of the 13 cars because that's how many he gave away to his brother. So we need to go in and we need to cross and count 10 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, I think that we crossed off 10 cars, but let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now that we've crossed off 10 cars, what should we do next? I agree. We should go in and we should count how many toy cars we have left because that will give us the answer of how many toy cars Marquise has. So he has 1, 2, 3. So how many toy cars does Marquise have now? 1, 2, 3. Marquise has 3 toy cars left. After starting with 13 and giving his brother 10, he's left with just 3. So now let's do our number sentence. So what should we do to write our number sentence? Correct. We should use the subtraction sign. So I'm going to start with 13. Then I'm going to subtract using the minus sign. Minus 10, which equals 3. So we have 13 minus 10 equals 3. So now I would like for you to attempt to do the number bond all by yourself. So I want you to hit pause on this video and try to do your number bond and then press play when you're ready to see my answer. So hopefully you press play because you've tried to do your number bond all by yourself. So I'm going to show you mine and hopefully yours look just like it. So for my 2 parts, I have a 10 in one of my parts and 3 in my other part. And I have a 13 in my whole. Because we know that 2 parts make a whole. So good job, Gipsters. Keep up the great work.